Kind of really touchy right there, huh? Thank you.
What the hell is that thing, your phone?
That, just an extended battery. Otherwise, the battery dies in like 30 minutes. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. This is my third KTM. I think I broke my toe on the first one when I hit that roof. Okay? Anyway, this is the 300 XCW 2-stroke, and it's the TPI, and it's the first TPI bike I have ever ridden. I'm embarrassed to say. I dig it. It's smooth. Still has the power though. I'll be honest, I kind of hoped it would be even a little smoother. I guess I was hoping the TPI would turn it into a 4-stroke. It's definitely a nice bike. It's very nimble. By far the most nimble I've ridden today. Ow! Got hit by a branch. And powerful. It will, it'll pull the front wheel up just coasting in third, getting on it, which is very cool. Let's see how it climbs this hill in third. Oh, wow. I guess you just gotta make yourself ride it. The gear high, it feels so weird to me. I could never do that on my old 2-strokes. Yeah, I think I could learn to like it though. If I could just make myself learn. I mean, it will not stall. If I could just make myself lug it. I dig it. I might have to ride this as my bonus ride. Definitely the best handling, suspension out of all of them I've rode today, guys. I like the XCW.
Alright guys, on this bike I really had to think about it a little while longer. It definitely still feels like a 2-stroke to me, which I'm sure most people like. I was hoping the TPI would make it feel like some kind of like 2-stroke, 4-stroke hybrid almost. But I can definitely see why people gravitate towards this bike, especially people who don't have the time or the knowledge to work on their own 4-strokes. This is one of the only 2-strokes I've ever been on where I've felt confident in the power, just as confident in the torque in the bottom as I do on the 4-stroke. Probably this and the Sherco 300 are the only two I've felt that way on.
Yep.
Definitely a cool machine. By far the most nimblest. I thought I could most effortlessly move this bike around between the trees and stuff like that, comparative to everything else I rode that day. So the more I think about it,
You can buy 'em
the
on
more I
Amazon.
like this bike. I do need some more time on it. Thankfully, I have a few buddies with these 300s, not the TPIs, but at least it's a 300, and I'm going to try to get some more time on this
Yeah, you can
in the
buy
next
'em,
few months
just
before
about
I make a
anywhere.
decision
Amazon,
on
eBay.
what direction I'm going to go on an off-road machine. Thanks for watching.